Hi guys, it is Tuesday. Taylor's long day again. Y'all, I'm sorry I didn't show her on the last vlog, but it was her long day, and by the time I got them home, it was crazy. CJ's home from work sick. He just put the kids in the car. Say hi, babe.
Oh, what up?
Let them see you.
I'm sick, man. We back to volume.
Yes. Why would you ask that?
I'm gonna do that more often though. That's gonna be my part.
Y'all heard that. He said this gonna be his part-time.
I still got some videos that I ain't edited.
Whatever. Yeah, we do.
Hi guys.
Look y'all, there go your Taylor. Hold on, I'm gonna come around. Cam is in the back. He about to turn up probably. Look.
Hi.
Say I'm putting my seatbelt on.
I put my seatbelt on. Hold it.
No, you have to finish putting your seatbelt on first. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
You need help? There you go, good girl.
Hi guys, today is family, and today I'm going to school. I go biking. I will have a good day biking. Well, my mom is coming, and this is my baby brother because he's kind of crazy sometimes. This is my baby boy right here. He's looking at the window every day. Yeah, little bald head. Yeah, every time he have a bald head. But
He does not have a bald head.
I mean, he don't have a bald head. Only my dad have a bald head. Cause he don't have any hair. He just cut it. Cause it wasn't growing back. But it was growing back today. And it's growing back like.
Okay, it's time for me to eat breakfast, guys.
It's time to eat breakfast, like this kind of breakfast.
What is it? A Nutri-Grain bar.
A Nutri-Grain bar, so yummy.
So talk to y'all later.
Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Alright, y'all happy? Y'all saw Taylor. So I'm about to take her to school. We are making good time today. I've had my coffee. I look crazy because I'm about to go to the gym myself. So that is why I look the way I do. Ooh. Let me find out. I got me a little setup. Let's see how this works out. So this morning thus far, I've done my little personal development and like most of the work for my business. I just gotta like schedule my calls. I only have one, no, I have two. And real quick, my team is doing a $150 Black Friday giveaway. It's gonna be a cash giveaway. We're gonna send it directly to your Cash App. And if you guys have not been following me on Instagram, we've been doing a lot of giveaways. Like this whole past year, we've been doing giveaways like almost every month. We've been giving away a lot of money. We gave away a Keurig. So a Keurig, whatever, however you say it. But let me see if I can make this turn without messing this up. Oh. But yeah, so we are doing that. So if you would like to enter our Black Friday cash giveaway, it's $150. If you would like to enter, go to my Instagram, and that is, I'm gonna put it right here, right there. And send me a DM saying I'd like to enter the giveaway, and I will make sure that your name is entered for that. Again, I'm going to the gym, and after I drop her off at school, then I have to go back to her school because she's having a little will-a-thon, and I want to watch her and like cheer her on while she's doing that. And then I'm gonna come back home because she has, like I said, her long day, and I'm gonna have to go again to pick her up, go back to pick her up again. I don't know, I might pick her up after the will-a-thon. It depends on how I'm feeling, because that's a lot of going back and forth. But My gym is literally right across the street from her school.
Hey guys.
Hi, it's Mommy and Taylor. Finish eating your breakfast. Why are you trying to take it from me? No, back up. Back up, let them look at you. Let me look at you. Hey, how the aunties and uncles be? Let them look at you.
Can I show you?
Not a kiss?
Yes.
No, you give me a kiss.
Yeah.
So silly.
Hey guys, can I show them my card?
No, we're not showing them other people's cards. Do you have anything to say to them? To say to them? What are you gonna say?
I'm going to at school, and then my mom is gonna go to gym, and my baby is going to gym too. But my dad's at home, and I'm going to school because my name is Taylor.
How old are you now?
4.5 now. I'm not 4. I'm not this
This boy is greedy. He's over here eating. They said, are you in high school now?
Yeah.
So you are in high school.
Yes.
Are you in preschool or high school?
High school.
Well, there you guys have it. What grade are you in?
March 19th.
What grade are you in?
May life.
I did not say what month is it. I said what grade are you in?
I don't know.
She doesn't know.
I don't know everything, God, because this me and Mom's.
Back up. You don't need to hold it. It's sitting there. It's sitting there good. So just back up.
And I took a plus one with my girlfriend.
Did you miss them? Did you miss vlogging? All right, y'all. I'm back home. I just went to Taylor's school to watch the Will-a-thon. So I'll put a little clip here of that. Go, Taylor! And CJ and Cam are over here. CJ is acting like he's so sick. Y'all know how men are when they sick. So I'm about to give him some elderberry. And I'm about to eat lunch. I'm having Brussels sprouts and ground chicken with peppers and onions. Come here. Y'all, this little boy. Come here. Oh, don't hit daddy. Give him a kiss. Well, no, give him a kiss because he's sick. Cam. Eat. He's so sleepy, y'all. Huh? Eat.
You wanna eat? Yeah.
Come here. Yeah, he's so bow-legged. I just realized that my baby is allergic to peanut butter. No. No. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. That's not a kiss. Hey. Hi, buddy. Hey y'all, happy No Makeup Monday. My hair looks crazy, but I'm about to fix that. I wanted to close out last week's vlog and give you guys an update because I planned to vlog more throughout the week last week, but the end of the week kind of got crazy. So I wanted to give you an update on that. I'm guessing that Mondays are going to be my upload day. So let us pray. Thank you for everyone who shared their excitement of me getting back to vlogging and stuff like that. That made me so excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep pushing through and uploading on Mondays. I guess it will be kind of like life updates and, you know, what's going on throughout the weeks of my life as it happens. Of course, it's gonna be like after the aftermath, or after it's already happened. I do share it in my stories on Instagram, so that will be more like present tense. This is gonna be after the fact, because of course it's easier to do a story than it is to do an actual vlog and stuff like that and edit. So into the updates. Taylor and Cam are asleep right now, FYI, so I'm trying to whisper. But last Wednesday, my pastor passed away unexpectedly. He wasn't sick or anything like that. He was literally driving home from the Wednesday night service. He had just preached and he got in a very bad car accident and died on the scene. So that hit, kind of rocked me and CJ's world a little bit. We never expected to lose our spiritual leader, and I guess I didn't really realize the impact that he had on our lives. So I learned so many lessons from this situation. I'm sure I'll learn many more, but the ones that are sticking with me is one, respect any leaders that you have in your life, because you don't know what they mean to you or for you until they're gone. Two, his last message he preached was about keeping faith in God. So we have faith in so many other things, like even the chair that I'm sitting on right now. Like, I know I'm not gonna fall. Like, I have faith that I'm not gonna fall out of this chair. So why can't I have faith in God? So I know I was questioning a lot, like, who's gonna fill that void? I kind of felt like I lost like something very important to me, and I knew I needed, like, he helped me learn how to use the word in my life, and even in my videos and stuff like that. He helped me learn how to understand the word so I could use it and make it applicable to my life. So I'm like, who's gonna fill that void? And I was reminded of his last sermon, and he was saying, like, you have to have faith that God is going to do what he said he's going to do. So why wouldn't God replace what I lost? You know what I'm saying? So that stood out to me. And then yesterday, his wife was actually at church, and she was smiling and happy, and I'm like, girl, you are an amazing woman. They were married for 22 years. Yeah, they didn't get to say goodbye or anything like that. So to see her standing up there as a leader of the church and just like showing that, you know, she's making it, it's like, how can you complain or say that you don't understand and stuff like that if she's dealing with it the way that she is? So that kind of helped, seeing her. And it also helped me in terms of my leadership. Like, am I showing up for myself and my business no matter what is going on in my life? And I taught my team to do the same thing. I asked them that question on our team call yesterday, like, are you showing up no matter what? If this woman can show up, you know, to lead her church, you know, after all of that happened, why aren't you showing up for yourself and to lead your team? I do feel like I'm on God's mission with my business. So yeah, that was that. Then over the weekend, CJ and I were supposed to get a break, and my kids went to my parents' house. Well, they left on Friday. Friday night, Cam had his first fever ever in life, and it went all the way up to 104. So I was like, take him to patient first right now. He got to patient first, and they did like a chest x-ray, and they said it looked like he was getting or had pneumonia. It was very like, it was like a little spot on the x-ray or something like that. But they wanted him to go ahead and start antibiotics and come back and all this stuff. So we cut our weekend short. I had planned to clean and get my tree done and all that stuff finished, but no. So we went to go get Cam on Saturday and Taylor, and then on Sunday we had to take him back to the doctor to get for a follow-up appointment. They followed up and did blood work and another x-ray, and they said everything looks good. his x-ray looked better yesterday than it did on Friday, so that's good. So I'm just continuing to give him his antibiotics. Luckily Taylor does not have school this week, so I don't have to take him in and out the house to drop her off at school and stuff like that, so he will not be leaving the house. And we had planned to go to my in-laws for Thanksgiving, but that's probably not gonna happen because I don't feel comfortable making him sit in the car and travel hours away with him not even feeling well. So what do you guys think? Should I cook for this Thanksgiving, or should we just go to my parents' house? They live like an hour away. I think CJ wants to go to my parents' house, but I'm like, should I cook? Like, should I just cook? So I don't know. Tell me in the comments what you guys think. And again, thank you guys for welcoming me back, and I'll talk to you guys later on the next vlog.